Well, hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela the Traveling Crafter, and it's Christmas in July. And I am participating in part of Carol from Crinkled Paths hashtag Christmas in July swap 2024. This is second annual. And my Santa has delivered me something special. So let's see if I have been a good little girl this year. By the way, all of the participants that are doing the swap are in the description box, as well as those participating on the Makers Market. So the link to get to the Makers Market is in the description as well, and you can go see what all of their Santas shared with them. So check that out. I don't know what's going on, but I got dogs gone wild in there. But let's just get started. Carol, by the way, sent me a lovely little squirrel on skis, and from Durango. You know, Colorado is my favorite place to be. I don't know what is going on out there, but somebody's got the zoomies. My goodness. So here's how this works. The first one was 3 tags, and there are 3 packages, and each, when we receive those, then we record a video, and I just got mine today. So, actually, it would have been yesterday, because you're going to see this tomorrow. And then I think the next one is 3 art supplies, I believe. I'm not sure. But it could be Christmas related. It could be anything that that person likes. And then I did the same. I have a swap partner as well. And I have sent my Secret Santa off her items as well. So, yeah, a little less talking, Angela, and a little more action. So this one says, Merry Christmas in July from your Secret Santa. Pretty handwriting. And I have, ooh, vintage recipe cards. I love those. And then in here, and I will be keeping that. I've actually been saving some of these for a project, which I was just looking at where I put those, and I'm not really sure. New lamb cookout ideas. Oh, this is, I love this. You hear that? Cute. I love milk pogs. This is super cute. Save a stamp. That is so cute. Oh, and this is fabric too. This is from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. I know it's weird, but every time that I see a, thank you, Secret Santa, I love it. Every time I see a city, I feel like I need to do the city code for the airport, which is RHI, just in case you really wanted to know that. It looks like conspicuously Santa put everything in. That's a smart thing to do, in paper. And look at this. Wowza. That's gorgeous. And it's kind of a pinky, maybe avocado dyed. I love it. Look at this. Okay. Sneaky, sneaky. Oh my gosh, this is cool. I've never seen one of these like this. Say happy birthday with a gift from Top Value Stamps. Well, my Secret Santa clearly knows that I love this kind of stuff. So look at this. And this goes perfect with this, which goes perfect with this. And it all goes perfect with that. All right, now here's what's going on here. That's a cool way to do that. Oh my gosh, more. Jan Hembry, thanks for the... Well, she was bougie. She had her own hand-done recipe cards. She must have been quite the chef. I love those. Okay, so let's see. So they're each on here. I got to be careful How about I use my handy dandy staple remover? Do I know where that's at? Probably not. I just cleaned the office today, and really, Angela, the office upstairs, because I figured, you know, since Dave and I are like now really living in one location together, that he needs a space of his own. And I figured, since I have pretty much taken over the entire basement, now I wouldn't admit that to him, but I figured he needed a space of his own. So I cleared out I started at 7:30 this morning after my coffee, and I finished at, well, 5 o'clock. And then I brought everything that thank you, Secret Santa, for these envelopes too. I love them. Ooh, look at that. That's really cute. And then she tied each one of those adorable buttons. This is going to be cute in a farm journal. And then look, there's a rolling pin on here. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. Everything just goes together. So she really knows. This person either knows me or really paid attention. I don't even know what I wrote on because we were supposed to write like what we liked. I don't even know. I don't even know what I said. But clearly I put vintage, kitchen, farm. That seems like so long ago. I've had a really fun time watching everybody's video. And you can watch, all you need to do if you want to watch everyone's videos, because Carol's doing some really cool competitions. So one of the things, you can just pull up the hashtag Junk Journal July 2024, and you should find everybody's videos. As long as they use the hashtag, it will be there. Oh, I can tell I'm going to love this. This is really cool. Like, look how she did this. This is fabric. Lovely fabric. And then this is from an old catalog. And she just kind of ripped it. It's just so cool. And then this is really cool ribbon. I love that. I'm guessing that this is vintage ribbon. It was already like that. Maybe she did it. She put it through there. Wow, those are cool. Love it. Now look how cool that all of this just goes together. I'm just saying. It's like, okay, I can just whip out a journal and start making it right now. That's just awesome. Thank you, Santa. And then what is this? This is Laura Ingalls. Holy moly. Okay, now, I don't know if I wrote that on there, but definitely somebody knows me. Because I'm going to put this. Okay, so it says Laura at 27 and Laura at 65. This is when she was a homesteader. So I'm going to put that on the back. She's beautiful, isn't she? She was beautiful as a young girl, and she was definitely beautiful as she aged. Ingalls family standing. Wow, whoever sent this to me really knows their Laura Ingalls well, their history. Carrie, Laura, Grace, seated, Ma, Pa, and Mary. Wow. And then this is Laura and Almanzo. When in 1935. Wow. That is really cool. So, Santa, when I get to find out who you are, I am really curious. Like, do you have original pictures of Laura Ingalls Wilder? And are you, too, a fan? Copied on laser printer so it can be coffee dyed and the ink won't run. Smarty pants. That was brilliant. That is really cool. Excuse me. This is all the wilder share in our history on the banks of Plum Creek. Oh, that is cool. So it goes like this. That is cool. I don't have a laser printer. And then it's got all of this. That is fabulous. Oh my gosh. That is one journal. I usually don't keep my journals, but when I do my Little House on the Prairie journal, I will be keeping that. I love this. That is so cool. Wow. So Santa, thank you for my tags and all the extra goodies. I love it. Love every bit of it. You know, I think my grandma I think Mo gave me, maybe my mom did, all of my Little House on the Prairie books, the set, and you know, the hardback. They were fancy. And I read, of course, every single one of them and all of the rest that, you know, followed after that. But I just loved those. I loved the show. I loved everything about her. I loved the history. So this is absolutely perfect. So thank you, Santa. I appreciate you very much. Carol and Sarah from New England Junk Journals and BB from BB's Closet Creations are also hosting. So please hop over and show them some love for helping Carol coordinate. Carol is almost at 1,000 subscribers. I mean, she is knocking on 1,000, like she's pounding on the door of 1,000 subscribers. So she's done a lot of work to bring us all together for this collective collaboration. So please go give her a like and a comment and a subscribe and help make her day. Hopefully today will be the day that she hits 1,000 subscribers. And everybody else that is participating is, like I said before, in the description. So go check them out. Thanks again, Santa. I appreciate you very much. And we will talk to you next time. Until then, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.